and welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So this right here is $10,000. Well, maybe not this book, but this right here, becoming a Google partner. It's a minimum entry fee of $10,000. Now, this is Google swag. I have other Google swag right here. Here's my Google Partners pen, Google Partners bag, Google Partners water bottle, and for the ultimate Google fanboy, I also have a Google Partners name tag. Now, the whole Google Partners program, if you're not familiar with this is for all the people who actually do marketing with Google, specifically on the Google AdWords platform. And I myself, I did not spend money to be part of this Google Partners. I just want to put that out there because in order for you to become a Google partner, you need to spend a minimum of $10,000 in the last 90 days. And then if you become a premier Google partner, I think you have to spend like $1 million. Now, I do have to thank the last marketing agency that I worked at, some really awesome people. They spend quite a bit of money, and so we got all this swag whenever I worked there, so this is really awesome. And so the reason why I wanted to talk about this and show this to you today is because, digital marketing is something that I do, and I absolutely love digital marketing, but I also want to talk about the many facets of digital marketing, the stuff that a lot of people do not see, because most people, when they think about marketing, or they usually think about ads, right? And they're usually thinking about ads you see on YouTube, on websites, on their phones, pretty much everywhere. But not many people understand what's really going on behind the scenes. And a lot of times I think it might be intimidating for some people. And then for some people that absolutely hate ads. And so they pretty much hate all of marketing, period, without really understanding how all this stuff works. And also the fun side of marketing. And with this whole partnership program, of course, Google and all these other platforms, that's how they make their money. Of course, they want to make money out of it, but there's people involved with it. And that's the cool part about it, because when you get into this community of marketers and stuff, you really get to understand how, not only how things work, but also how people think as a digital marketer. Because whenever you get into this world, there's so many different areas that you could go to. I mean, I would say in general, some of the areas is analytics. You definitely going to have to love looking at data, analyzing the data, making sense about it. And then other big things that you learn is psychology. There's absolutely so much psychology in marketing. And that's been something that's true way before we ever got the internet. So this has always been a part of marketing. And also the camaraderie. I just really feel like there's this unspoken friendship amongst all digital marketers, and digital marketing is a worldwide thing. And so if you get into the whole Google Partners program, or you get into the whole Facebook program, any of these ad platforms, it is truly an international experience, and you get a chance to pretty much work with people all around the world. And because the whole language of marketing, even though people speak different languages, the tools, the actual methodologies, they're pretty much all the same. And those are things that I did not expect getting into digital marketing. And then also working online, whether you work at a physical location, at an office, or you work remotely on your own, everything's still on the internet. And so as you get to work with all these various marketers online, you get used to using different tools. There's going to be a lot of video conferencing. There's going to be a lot of meetings or work being done outside of the normal 9 to 5. You're going to be able to relate with people in a much different way than the normal 9 to 5 setting, and especially if you are working with international teams. And so that's just what I want to talk about briefly today, how this right here, $10,000, becoming a Google partner, it's really a cool thing, and it's not just the whole amount of money spent, it's really everything else that's around the whole world of digital marketing. It is an awesome thing. It's fun. I absolutely love it. And hopefully, a lot of people who are seeing this video, maybe they might get interested in, maybe they might get curious about what the world of digital marketing has to offer. And if you are one of those people, I do recommend a course that I took to learn a lot of digital marketing skills that I have now. And it is free for the actual first 4 videos. And then the rest of the course, there is a cost. But if that's something that you're interested in, you want to get access to 4 free videos, be sure to check out my link in the description area below. It is an affiliate link. But I highly recommend that you check it out, at least get an introduction into this world, because it's really cool and you get to become a partner with many other marketers around the world. And so if you had any thoughts on this, or maybe you have your own experience as a digital marketer, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to subscribe. And if you wanted to support my channel further, you could do that at patreon.com/geekoutdoors. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you actually wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then join my Go Content Creators group where you would get access to 30 free videos and more continuing content for all their creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is all of this is free. All you have to do is simply go to the link below, head over to our page, and join my Go Content Creators group. Thanks a lot, and I will see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com. And I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.